Hi there. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about what to put in an AI plan and budget. Here are a few things to include.
1. Preparation and strategy. Create an AI pipeline, host executive forums, and run AI accelerators to explore new possibilities and align on essential imperatives. 2. AI fluency. Hire AI specialists, train existing staff in AI and machine learning concepts, and consult with external experts. 3. Research and development, or R&D. Run feasibility tests and prototype to understand the scope and potential of generative AI for your specific needs. 4. Tech and infrastructure. If you're developing models in-house, you may need to set up software licensing, GPUs or graphic processing units, and security infrastructure to support AI model training and deployment. 5. Data acquisition. Clean, organize, store, and potentially purchase relevant datasets to train AI models. 6. Model development or tuning. Train, test, and validate AI models, which will require computing resources and rigorous testing to ensure accuracy and reliability. 7. Legal and compliance. Prepare for regulatory and legal needs and address ethical considerations such as bias in AI. 8. Integrations. Incorporate AI into existing IT infrastructure and business processes, which will require some change management and systems integration. 9. Maintenance and upgrades. Prepare to maintain, tune, improve, and update models, as well as necessary infrastructure and governance. 10. Product updates. Adjust your product's user experience, value proposition, support, and documentation to incorporate AI functionality. 11. Marketing and PR. Promote AI-driven products and services, and manage public perception and communication regarding AI initiatives and ethics. 12. Contingencies and New Opportunities. Reserve time and money for unforeseen costs or challenges in AI implementation, and to seize new opportunities that arise in the evolving AI landscape.
I hope that was helpful. You can find out a lot more about AI fluency, strategy, and more at our Digital Fluency Guide at www.digitalfluency.guide. See you there.